Well, Lakshmi Vilas Bank has been put under moratorium by the Reserve Bank of India for a period of 1 month. This 1 month period is going to end on the 16th of December 2020. But what happened in the last 1 year or so that led to this situation? Well, let's take a look. First of all, on 25th of September, which was a key day for Lakshmi Vilas Bank, it was the AGM day, and on that day the shareholders voted out 7 directors, and not just that, they in fact also voted out the CEO S. Sundar during the AGM vote that took place on the 25th of September. They also rejected the reappointment of the statutory auditors in the AGM vote. Now on 27th of September, the RBI stepped in and said that the bank will be run by a committee of directors. There were 3 directors which were not voted out by the shareholders. They were Meeta Makhan, Shakti Sinha and Satish Kumar Kalra. They were appointed in the committee by the Reserve Bank of India. They have been running the bank until now. So what the Reserve Bank of India is saying at this point in time is that the financial position of the bank has deteriorated drastically. As part of the moratorium, the Finance Ministry has said that there is a withdrawal limit of 25,000 that has been imposed for depositors, but a payment of over 25,000 will be allowed in certain circumstances, like for medical treatment, higher education, marriage and unavoidable emergencies. Although in this situation, although a moratorium has been placed on Lakshmi Vilas Bank, there is a clear-cut plan that the RBI has put in place for Lakshmi Vilas Bank. The RBI also announced that they have drawn up a scheme of a merger of Lakshmi Vilas Bank and DBS Bank India. The aim is to complete the merger before the moratorium period ends in the next 30 days. So before 16th of December, the Reserve Bank of India wants to complete the merger of Lakshmi Vilas Bank with DBS Bank India. Apart from that, the RBI has also said that the current board of directors, which was there, Shakti Sinha, Meeta Makhan and Satish Kumar Kalra, as you might recall, they have been superseded. Currently, T.N. Manoharan, who was the ex-chairman of Canara Bank, has been appointed as the administrator of Lakshmi Vilas Bank for this 1 month period till the merger goes through. The RBI has also said that Lakshmi Vilas Bank has been placed under moratorium because it has undergone a steady decline, and that the depositors and their interest will be fully protected. The other information that the RBI has in fact given us is that Lakshmi Vilas Bank will get an investment of 2,500 crore rupees from DBS Bank once the merger happens. Now remember, there were talks going on of a takeover or a merger with Clicks Capital. Now none of those talks had fructified. We've understood that the board of directors were getting the information, the expression of interest from Clicks Capital. They had received a deal from the company as well. There were a lot of discussions happening back and forth, but it clearly looks like that deal has fallen through, and the RBI has in fact chosen DBS Bank instead. In fact, if you may recall, last year Lakshmi Vilas Bank was supposed to merge with Indiabulls Housing Finance as well, and that merger was not approved by RBI and had fallen through at the last minute as well. So finally, some solution in sight for Lakshmi Vilas Bank, which has been in the midst of quite a storm for some time. The financial issues that it has been facing, the lack of trust that the shareholders showed in the management at the AGM vote, all of this has now finally been taken to a conclusion by the Reserve Bank of India by announcing a draft scheme of merger with DBS Bank India.